Hello, hello. Chris Ralph here with Boulder SEO Marketing. Welcome to the June 3rd, 2022 Friday SEO tip. Today, I want to talk about Google core algorithm updates and how you should not be afraid about Google launching these algorithm updates, but rather embrace them and get ready so that your website can benefit from these algorithm updates. I'm going to minimize the picture here a little bit. All right. So Google released a core algorithm update May 25th, 2022. There was a gap of probably like 6-7 months in between from the last core algorithm update to this one. So this taught us that's going to be a big algorithm update. We're going to see major changes in rankings, how much traffic websites are going to get, etc. So Google, after the fact, after they released one of these algorithm updates, they will announce it. So this is telling us, usually there's like 3-4 months in between these algorithm updates. So now we know, right? We want to get our website ready for the next algorithm update, which is probably going to hit in August. All right, let me show you the impact of these core algorithm updates. If you don't already have access to your Google Search Console, it's a free tool. It provides website owners with probably the best data directly provided by Google. So as you can see here, this is Google organic search traffic to it's the Boulder SEO Marketing website. There was a big algorithm update, a core update in June. At the end of the June, our website got hit, rightfully so, because we were too busy helping other website owners optimize their own website. We did not optimize our own website for a long time, so Google hit us right there. We lost quite a bit of traffic. Then the next core algorithm update, I think, hit here in October, November. We continued to lose more traffic. We started to work on the website, redo some pages, etc., but it was not good enough for Google not to hit our website. As you can see here, we started to lose traffic. Then in between these core algorithm updates, you can do a lot of things with your website, but you're not going to see dramatic improvements. Right? So you want to get your website or certain pages ready so that when the next core algorithm update hits, Google rewards you for the work that you put in. As you can see here, and I'll show a very specific example of what we did with one particular page. On May 25th, this core algorithm update hit, and immediately our website started to get more impressions, clicks, more traffic, etc. So clearly the work that we did paid off, right? So this is why we were waiting for this core algorithm update to hit, so that we're going to see an improvement in traffic to our website, right? Here's a specific example of what we did. We identified a page on our website that we would consider a good candidate for one of these micro SEO strategies that we implement for our clients. So basically, it was a page, it was a blog post that I wrote during COVID, similar like this one. It spoke about SEO packages for local businesses. It looked very similar, like this blog post. Very text heavy, sun imagery here, but it was very text heavy, not very visually pleasing on the eye. So we built a micro SEO strategy for this page, basically that's the old URL. It was like SEO packages for local business. We decided to change the URL. Be careful with that because it definitely takes Google a little bit longer to understand a new URL, to process the new URL. But we figured, hey, we're going to build a page. We're going to create the ultimate guide about SEO packages. And then we set up the micro SEO campaign strategy here. So we looked at what keywords was this old page ranking for. All right. So we pulled the data from SE Ranking, one of our favorite SEO tools, and we saw that, hey, this page has actually ranked well for really high intent, interesting keywords such as SEO packages. 1,300 people are searching for this keyword. We're at position 20. Not bad, right? We can get that to the top. So a number of keywords that were a good fit to be a target SEO keyword for this micro SEO strategy. We eventually decided that these keywords are going to be the target SEO keywords for this micro SEO strategy, because we're already on page 2, 3 for some really high search volume, interesting keywords. We then put in our effort and we created the SEO guide, the ultimate SEO guide for SEO packages. So we put in all the information people are searching for. We made it look pretty. We included pricing information, what people can expect to get out of one of these SEO packages, etc., etc. When selecting an SEO agency, what to look for, what to avoid, like really useful information. Then we have webinars in here, educational content, case studies, etc., reviews, right? It's a really good piece of content. So we went live with this piece of content, I believe, at the end of April, early May. And as you can see here, Google rewarded us immediately after this core algorithm update launched. You can see here impressions going up, clicks are going up. And now this page, that's the page that we developed, it's now starting to rank, much better for these keywords that we are targeting, including this is one of the target SEO keywords for this page. If we do an incognito search here for this keyword, let's see, SEO services packages, got a bunch of Google ads up here at the top. Then that's an organic search result. Here's another one. Here's another one. And look at this. I think we're already organically at position 5. So we're starting to make our way up to the top in Google. So a little bit of encouragement. Don't be afraid of these core algorithm updates. It's a great opportunity for you to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages that you think has great opportunity to get to the top in Google if you put in the effort, excuse me. So it's definitely a great opportunity for you to implement one of these micro SEO strategies. I'm going to put all of these links in the bottom or like in the description field of the YouTube video. I hope this was useful and that you're looking forward to the next core algorithm update. All right, be well, be safe, and have a little bit of fun with this whole SEO stuff. Bye.